Hello everyone and welcome to today's questions. So, number 1, choose the correct answer. The earth rotates around itself and around the sun. 2, the earth's axis is inclined. 3, the earth rotates around its axis once every 24 hours. 4, the earth's axis is inclined and this causes the hours of day are not equal to the hours of night. 5. The sequence of day and night is occurred due to the rotation of the earth around its axis. 6. The earth revolves around the sun once every 365 and quarter days. 7. The sequence of the 4 seasons of the year is occurred due to the revolution of earth around the sun. 8. During the winter season in northern hemisphere, night is longer than day. 2. Put correct in front of the right statement and cross or wrong in front of the wrong one, then correct it. So, and we won't correct them. You can go back to the lecture and to see the correction. 1. The earth revolves around the sun once every 24 hours. This is wrong. 2. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes the sequence of day and night. This is also wrong. 3. The difference in hours of day and night is because the earth's axis is inclined. Correct. 4. In summer seasons, the day hours are longer than the night hours. It's correct. 5. The earth rotates around its axis once every year. Wrong. 6. The sequence of the 4 seasons occurs due to the revolution of the earth around the earth. This is also wrong. Number 7. The earth revolves around the sun every 365 and quarter days. This is correct. 8. During the winter, day and night are equal. This is wrong. And 9. The day in summer season is longer than it is in winter. And this is correct. Now for number 3. Correct the underlined words. The earth axis is vertical. The earth axis is inclined. Number 2. The earth rotates around the sun every 24 days. No, around the sun every 365 and quarter days. 3. The earth rotates around its axis once every 365 and quarter days. Wrong. The earth rotates around its axis once every 1 day or day. 4. In winter season, the length of the day is longer than the length of the night. This is wrong. It's in summer season. 5. In summer season, the length of the day is shorter than the length of the night. This is wrong. It's in winter season. 4. Write the scientific term of each of the following. 1. A phenomenon occurs when the earth rotates around its axis. This is called the sequence of day and night. 2. A phenomenon occurs when the earth revolves around the sun. This is called the sequence of 4 seasons. 3. A season in which day is longer than night. This is summer. 4. A season in which day is shorter than night. This is winter. 5. Complete the following statements. 1. The earth rotates around its axis once every 24 hours. 2. Sequence of day and night occurs due to the rotation of the earth around itself. 3. the axis of the Earth is inclined. 4. The Earth's axis is inclined. This causes the difference between day and night hours. 5. When the Earth rotates around its axis, the part of the Earth that faces the Sun is in day, while the part of Earth that doesn't face the Sun is in night. 6. The Earth revolves around the Sun once every 365 and quarter days, and this period is called a year. 7. The sequence of the 4 seasons occurs due to the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. 8. The day in the summer season is longer than the day in winter season. 9. The day is longer than the night in summer season. 10. In the winter season, day is shorter than night. 11. The Earth revolves around the Sun once every 365 and quarter days, while it rotates around its axis once every 24 hours. 12. The phenomenon of sequence of day and night results from the rotation of the Earth around its axis, while the phenomenon of four seasons sequence results from the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. 13. When the northern hemisphere is near to the Sun, the season in Egypt is summer. 6. Give reasons for the following. 1. The number of day hours is not equal to the number of night hours. This is because the Earth's axis is inclined. 2. Sequence of day and night due to the rotation of the Earth around its axis. 3. Sequence of the 4 seasons due to the revolution of the Earth around the Sun. 7. What happens when 1. The Sun faces a part of the Earth. This part of Earth is at daytime. 2. The Sun doesn't face a part of the Earth. This part of the Earth is at night. 3. The Earth rotates around its axis. It causes the sequence of day and night. 4. The Earth doesn't rotate around itself. Day and night will not be sequenced on the Earth. 5. The Earth doesn't revolve around the Sun. The 4 seasons will not be sequenced on the Earth. 6. The Earth revolves around the Sun once every year. It causes the sequence of the 4 seasons. 8. What's the type of the phenomenon resulted from? 1. Rotation of the Earth around its axis. The sequence of day and night. 2. Revolution of the Earth around the Sun. The sequence of the 4 seasons. Number 9. Compare between the sequence of the day and night phenomenon and the sequence of the 4 seasons phenomenon. And this part or this question is answered in the lecture itself. So go back to the lecture and look at them. You'll find it at the lecture related to this question. You will find that. It's about the Earth. 10. Look at the opposite figure, then answer the following questions. And you can see in the figure there is the Earth and there are 4 points A, B, C, D. And for the first question, does Egypt, which symbolized by A, okay, with the dot at A, lie in the southern hemisphere or in the northern hemisphere of the Earth? It's obvious that it's located in the northern hemisphere. Number 2, does Egypt have day or night at this figure? Of course, Egypt is at night because it's in the part that is not facing the Earth, the Sun. 11. Complete the following diagram. Motion of the Earth includes the rotation of the Earth around its axis, and that causes the sequence of day and night. And the other thing is the revolution of the earth around the sun, and that causes the sequence of the 4 seasons. One, here are 2 figures indicating the day and night during 24 hours. Write the suitable seasons under each one. And you will find that night is shaded with black and day is in white. And there is figure 1 and 2. And for figure 1, the white part is larger than the black part. So this means it's in summer. This means the day is longer than night. And for the other part, or the second picture, is vice versa. The black area is larger than the white area, so this means the night is larger than day, or simply the night is longer than the day, so we are, or this indicates winter. 2. What would happen if the Earth's axis becomes vertical? The number of day hours equals the number of night hours. Okay, it will be exactly this, they will be exactly the same. 3. Choose the correct answer. 1. During summer season, the day is the longest. Of course, it's the longest. 2. During winter season, the day is the shortest. 3. If the earth revolves around the sun slower than it is now. So in this case, the year on the earth may be equal to 380 days. This is logic. So the motion is slower, then this means more days. We already rotate in 365 and quarter a day. So what is the number here greater than 365 and quarter? It's 380. So the answer is 380. 4. Complete the table below using the words between brackets. More than 12, shorter than, less than 12, longer than. 1. Summer. Hours of day are more than 12 hours and longer than the hours of night. 2. Winter. Hours of day are less than 12 hours and shorter than the hours of night. And thank you very much for listening, and hope you enjoyed that and got some